Okay, Melissa, where are we going?
Best Buy.
Wait, what?
Wait, no. Never mind. REI. Sorry,
Wait.
I was thinking about the radar detector.
Yeah.
We're going to REI.
We're going to REI.
To pick up my my rack, my new quad piston bike rack.
Oh, which piston? Do you know?
The double carrier. I don't know.
It's the Piston Pro X.
Oh, Piston Pro X. Sorry, Pro X.
Exciting!
Yay.
Ta-da! We did it.
Yay.
We got it. Thanks, REI.
And thanks for the $25 dividend
Yeah,
card.
yeah, $25. Thanks. Yeah. So we're gonna go home and put this together. All right, got the Piston Pro X here at home. Gonna get it ready for this guy. So let's take a look.
Okay.
Okay, so looking at the way this is designed, it's very nice. You got these little tabs right here. The outermost to the rear have the taillights, and then all you have to do is connect this guy and then shove this into the hole. Gate. There's a hole right here. Just shove it in, and now it's on. So now we grab the bolt and
Oh, cool.
throw it in, and then there is a torque spec. I'll grab a torque wrench in a bit, but for now we're going German spec, Guten Titan. Only have to get it to thread. Oh, that's why. Make a note. These are nylock, and there is an inside and an outside.
Ah, makes sense.
Okay, so that one's got some threads on it, so we can move on to the front ones. So each one's labeled A. That one goes there, eh?
Full of good puns today, aren't you?
Oh yeah, bud.
Oh yeah, bud.
Oh yeah, but where's the tab? Why can't I find? Oh, there it is. All right. A.
Oh yeah, and that one doesn't need a wire, right? Because it's not on the outside. Okay.
Right. Where's the tab? There we go. Same thing. Grab a nut. Put it on through. And then we tighten, and then we connect the plug for the trailer. I'm sponsored by Mountain Dew. And then we go ride our bikes.
Cool.
You can stop recording.
Okay.
We did it.
That's
So,
nice.
the Kashima piston with your Kashima forks. Sheesh. But yeah, it looks good. It was easy to put together. I was a fan of the Piston SR, which is on my roof. This one, not this one. And so we decided to go farther into the ecosystem. And how was assembly? Like,
Super easy.
how long was that? 20 minutes maybe?
20 minutes. It's pretty easy to
20 minutes from box to bikes. So, highly recommend so far. And these are the same mechanism that were on the Piston SR, so they're going to be just fine.
Easy to use.
And it's got a lot of it's pretty stout. Like, you really can't mess that up. The nice thing is that there is a bolt that wedges the hitch to the vehicle, so it doesn't it actually really in this axis, I'm really pulling on it, and I'm 270. and it does not rock. So
I'll send my dad a picture.
10 out of 10. Would recommend.
Yeah.